Hello and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I will show you how to open a bank account in Antigua and Bermuda. So business bank account. So to open this, you have to go to your Google. Okay, and directly search for here for the top business bank branches in our Antigua and Bermuda. Okay, Barbuda. So here we will see list. So the first bank is Antigua Barbuda Investment Bank Limited. Then we have Antigua Commercial Bank Limited, Antigua Overseas Bank Limited, and we have other banks also. So in this video I will show you how to open a bank account in Antigua and Bermuda Investments Banks Limited. Okay, so we'll just go to the website. So the website, you can directly come to this URL. So the website something look like this. Okay, so to open a bank account, you will like business bank account, you will directly go to their home page, and from here when you will just scroll down, you have an option called entrepreneurship, and just click on start a business. Okay, then you have to scroll down, and here we can see they have how to set up a business, then small business intensive and investor incentives. So you will just click on learn more, so it will redirect her to this PDF form. Okay, so here all procedures are written. So basically you have to go to their nearest branch, and from there you have to provide your legal identity, and you should have a minimum age of 18 and some other like uh, certificate and details. So here we can see the cost of the process is also written here. Okay, so this is how we can just do it. So you can just go to their address, you can see here. Okay, their Gmail also. So after opening a business account, here you can directly use your account. So this is how to open a business bank account in here. So if you find this video helpful, make sure you like, subscribe and share the video. Thank you for watching.